Hello, today is Thursday, October 26, 2023. This video by Dave Asprey is with Matt and Wade of BiOptimizers. They discuss the concept of personalization in nutrition and biohacking, emphasizing the importance of considering individual genetics, lifestyle, and goals when creating a diet plan. So let's get started. In this podcast episode, Dave Asprey interviews Wade Lightheart and Matt Gallant, authors of The Ultimate Nutrition Bible and founders of BiOptimizers. They discuss the concept of personalization in nutrition and biohacking, emphasizing the importance of considering individual genetics, lifestyle, and goals when creating a diet plan. They cover topics such as the limitations of the calories in, calories out concept, the impact of sleep on metabolism and weight loss, the benefits of eating the same meals regularly, and the role of hormones in fat deposition. They also touch on the risks and benefits of different diets and recommend experimenting to find what works best for each individual. Chapters 1. The importance of personalization in nutrition. Discussing the concept of personalization in nutrition and biohacking. Considering individual genetics, lifestyle, and goals when creating a diet plan. 2. Limitations of the calories in, calories out concept. Explaining the limitations of the traditional calorie counting approach. Factors to consider beyond calories such as genetics, metabolism, and mitochondrial function. 3. The impact of sleep on metabolism and weight loss, highlighting the importance of sleep for regulating hormones and improving metabolic health, discussing the role of sleep in weight loss and overall well-being. 4. The simplest secret for nutrition optimization, introducing the concept of eating the same meals regularly for simplifying decision-making, explaining how monitoring progress through measurements can help adjust calorie intake and portion sizes. 5. Optimizing nutrition based on individual goals and preferences, providing practical examples and tips for optimizing nutrition based on individual goals, highlighting the need for self-awareness, experimentation, and adaptation in finding the right diet plan. 6. Protein intake and fat burning, discussing the importance of increasing protein intake for effective fat burning, shifting to lower fat cuts and considering genetic factors and lipid profiles in personalized nutrition. 7. Hormones and fat deposition, understanding how hormones can affect fat deposition in specific areas of the body, exploring the influence of cortisol and other hormones on belly fat and other fat accumulations. 8. Risks and benefits of different diets, expressing skepticism about the long-term viability and health outcomes of a vegan diet, acknowledging individual genetic factors and proposing a challenge between a plant-based diet and a different approach. Insights. Personalization is key in nutrition and biohacking, taking into account genetics, lifestyle, and goals. The traditional calories in, calories out concept is limited and doesn't consider other factors like genetics and metabolism. Sleep plays a crucial role in regulating hormones and improving metabolic health. Eating the same meals regularly simplifies decision-making and helps with adjusting calorie intake and portion sizes. Protein intake is important for effective fat burning, and personalized nutrition should consider genetic factors and lipid profiles. Hormones can influence fat deposition in specific areas of the body. Different diets have varying risks and benefits, and individual experimentation is encouraged. Final thoughts and observations. This podcast episode delves into the concept of personalization in nutrition, emphasizing the importance of considering individual genetics, lifestyle, and goals when creating a diet plan. The hosts and guests provide practical tips and insights for optimizing nutrition based on individual preferences and goals. The conversation covers various topics, including the limitations of traditional calorie counting, the impact of sleep on metabolism, the benefits of eating the same meals regularly, and the role of hormones in fat deposition. Listeners are encouraged to experiment and find what works best for them. Overall, the episode provides valuable information for those interested in biohacking their nutrition. Keywords: biohacking, the practice of using science, technology, and lifestyle modifications to optimize one's health and well-being. Personalization, tailoring something to meet individual needs or preferences. Genetics, the study of genes and heredity, including how they influence traits and health. Calories in, calories out, the concept that weight gain or loss is determined by the balance between calories consumed and calories burned. Metabolism, the chemical processes that occur within an organism to maintain life. Anabolism, the process of building complex molecules from simpler ones, often requiring energy. Thermic effect of food, the increase in energy expenditure that occurs after eating due to the energy required for digestion, absorption, and metabolism of nutrients. Mitochondrial function, the ability of mitochondria, the organelles responsible for producing energy, to generate ATP, adenosine triphosphate, efficiently. Hormones, chemical messengers in the body that regulate various bodily functions and processes. Protein intake, the amount of protein consumed in the diet, which is important for various